Welcome to Mells Road station. This is where I believe the station to have been, and there would have been two platforms. The up line on my left towards London and the down line on my right towards Radstock. This is the Frome to Radstock branch line. It originally opened on the 14th of November 1854. It was opened as a broad gauge railway. And there's still evidence of it today with this broad gauge bridge. In 1875, it was replaced for standard gauge to make it more convenient for passengers travelling from Bristol. And sadly, in 1959, the line was closed to passengers due to the Beecham Act. The line was still in use up to 1973 for freight traffic until the last pit was closed in Radstock. This wasn't the end of the line because Marcross wagon repairs were still using it as storage up until 1988. There's not much left of the line or station today, but it's still worth a visit because there's still signs scattered around. So let's go and have a look and see what we can find. Like this plate layer's hut. This would have been designated to a gang of railwaymen who would have looked after this section of rail. And it would have been used by a gang of railwaymen to have their tea breaks in, maybe store some tools so they could look after their section of rail line. This could have been a bit of a storage area. You can imagine being sat in here with only a tilly lamp for your light on a cold evening, drinking your brew right next to the line. Good old prefabricated building. I love a bit of prefab. Look at this. This is an LMS 20-ton brake van just on this railway line here. Let's go take a closer look. This brake van was made by British Rail in 1947. I can't believe it's still here. It's brilliant. And I can't believe it's in this good of a condition, really, looking at it. If you come up here, you can even see where the old brake crank was. And he would have looked out the window, keep a check on what was going on, and he might have used a lamp or a flag to signal to the driver. And look at that, can you believe it? The door still works. They don't make them like that anymore. I believe they call this a knuckle coupler. That was good, that. This is definitely a place worth coming to visit. I think we've pretty much explored everything we can now, so let's go see something else. Cheers!